F1 alone displays Excel Help task pane. Ctrl plus F1 displays or hides the ribbon. Alt plus F1 creates an embedded chart of the data in the current range. Alt plus Shift plus F1 inserts a new worksheet. Ctrl plus Shift plus F1 toggles full screen mode. F2 alone, edit the active cell. Shift plus F2 adds or edit a cell note. Ctrl plus F2 edit the active cell in the formula bar. F3 alone displays the paste name dialog box, available only if names have been defined in the workbook. Shift plus F3 displays the insert function dialog box. F4 alone repeats the last command or action if possible. Ctrl plus F4 closes the selected workbook window. Alt plus F4 closes Excel. F5 alone displays the Go to dialog box. Ctrl plus F5 restores the window size of the selected workbook window. F6 alone switches between the worksheet, ribbon, task pane, and zoom controls. Shift plus F6 switches between the worksheet, zoom controls, task pane, and ribbon. Ctrl plus F6 switches between two Excel windows. F7 alone opens the spelling dialog box to check spelling in the active worksheet or selected range. Ctrl plus F7 performs the move command on the workbook window when it is not maximized. Use the arrow keys to move the window, and when finished press Enter or Escape to cancel. Fade alone turns extend mode on or off. In extend mode, extended selection appears in the status line, and the arrow keys extend the selection. Shift plus F8 enables you to add a non-adjacent cell or range to a selection of cells by using the arrow keys. Alt plus F8 displays the macro dialog box to create, run, edit, or delete a macro. F9 alone calculates all worksheets in all open workbooks. Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus F9 rechecks dependent formulas, and then calculates all cells in all open workbooks, including cells not marked as needing to be calculated. Ctrl plus F9 minimizes a workbook window to an icon. F10 alone turns key tips on or off. Shift plus F10 displays the context menu for a selected item. Alt plus Shift plus F10 displays the menu or message for an error checking button. F11 alone creates a chart of the data in the current range in a separate chart sheet. Shift plus F11 inserts a new worksheet. Alt plus F11 opens the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications editor, in which you can create a macro by using Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. F12 alone. Displays the Save as dialog box.